Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video may just be the unboxing of the year. I've never been more excited in my life to open up a package. Inside this box, I have got the brand new Dyson Airwrap in the brand new colorway. They've just dropped this color and it's meant to be like the prettiest and the brightest color ever. And I use my Airwrap like every single day, so I'm so excited to get the new color. So what we're gonna do in today's video is unbox the new color, and then I'm gonna take you through like a quick little hair tutorial. I'm gonna do like some really awesome like loose like voluminous waves. It's my go-to hairstyle that I do with the Airwrap. I'm gonna talk you through some tips as well about how I get the curls to last. So if you're interested in watching that, then please stick around. Now I have actually teamed up with Dyson for today's video, which is really exciting. I'm gonna be working with them over the next, I think it's about 6 months. I adore Dyson and it is a partnership that I am extremely proud of. I mean, you guys know how much I love their products. I talk about them all the time. They're such good quality, and it's not even just like their hair care products. Like we've got a Dyson vacuum downstairs. I really want their RoboVac. It looks unreal. I use the Corral hair straightener. I've got the supersonic hair dryer. Like I'm a Dyson girl through and through. But I'm not gonna make you wait any longer. Let's do a straight up unboxing so that you can see exactly what you get when you purchase one of these bad boys. Okay, opening her up. It already looks so pretty. Even on the packaging, look at the blue. This one is called Blue Blush. Oh, stop it. Look at her. So this is the Dyson Airwrap Complete Long. Comes with all of these attachments. Obviously I've got long hair, so I need the long one. But I do know if you purchase this directly from the Dyson website, I'll pop a link in the description bar so that you can go and check it out. But yeah, if you purchase directly from the website, you actually get more when you buy these. So, I mean, it's a no-brainer. This is the first time I'll be trying the new one, because I think that they do both, because before you had to like swap the barrels over. I think that you click the thing at the top now and you can use the same barrels for both sides of your hair. Then we've got some brush attachments. I love this volumizing brush. I use this one all of the time. The color looks unreal. It looks like this beautiful bright blue and almost like a rose gold. Let's open this up. Now this is a limited edition colorway. It's not going to be around forever, so if you do love it, and I have a feeling you are going to love it, you may want to jump on it sooner rather than later. And obviously like they've dropped this perfect timing. Like it's gifting season. We've obviously got Christmas coming up. Even the box. Oh my god. Seriously, Dyson, how? Look at how blue that is. But obviously with Christmas coming up, it's the perfect time for gifting. And I mean, most importantly, gifting to yourself. I actually cannot. Like, this is so beautiful. It's so luxe. It feels incredible. Look at how gorgeous this blue is, you guys. I have never seen anything. It's just so pretty. So there's this amazing bright blue. Apparently this color is inspired by the rock lapis lazuli. I think that's how it's pronounced anyway. And then it's got this gorgeous like baby pink. Oh, it's so pretty. It's all lined with like beautiful black felt as well, which is really pretty. So when you first open it up, you get one of these on top. Look at this, you guys. Dyson have absolutely outdone themselves with this. I can't stop staring at it. So obviously inside the box you get all of the attachments. We've got the brush attachments in this amazing color. I think this one is the straightening brush. We've got the volumizing brush, which is pink on top. These must be the curling barrels. Oh yes, they are. And obviously because I've got the complete long, these are longer in length to allow curling of like long hair. They flick backwards and forwards so you can curl both sides of your face without having to replace. With the old Airwrap, you used to have to replace the curling barrel. You no longer have to do that. Yay. So we have a slimmer barrel for tighter curls and then a larger barrel for like more like loose beachy waves. Oh yes, it comes with one of these little combs. I absolutely love these combs. I use them all the time. If you've got long hair like me, or you struggle with like your hair like knotting and stuff, these combs are amazing because it brushes out all the knots without like tearing your hair. And then the actual Airwrap. I'm sorry, but this is so pretty. Hoping that the camera is doing this color justice because it is so beautiful. It's so bright. But then the pink is just, oh, and the buttons are actually rose gold. Amazing. It's beautiful. Dyson, you've outdone yourself. It's absolutely beautiful. Okay, so that's everything that comes in the box. Let's zhuzh my hair. Let's create an actual hairstyle with this. And I'm going to give you all of my tips and tricks on how to get the curls to last while we're at it because you might as well get the most out of this video that you possibly can. So the first best tip I can give you about using the Dyson Airwrap and getting the curls to last is to start with damp hair, and you want to section it because it is so much easier if you work in smaller sections. If you freshly wash your hair, you can use the smoothing and drying attachment to dry your hair off to about 60%, but you don't want it any drier than that, and then you're going to be able to go in with your first curling barrel. You only want teeny tiny sections like this. It's very important, and if your hair has become too dry during the process, you can wet it using like a little spray bottle of water. So like I said, very small sections, and get your hair to wrap around the curling barrel. And then this is super important. If you push this little switch up, it will switch into cooling mode, and essentially that will set the curl. It's really important to do this. And then I like to take my other hand and actually slide the curl off the barrel because it stops the curl from stretching out, and it means that it's going to last longer. Then set the curl with hairspray as well. It will just mean that your curls will last all day. I can actually get my curls to last about 3 days when I do it this way. So first on the hot setting, and sometimes I'll use that for about 20 or 30 seconds depending on how wet the hair is, then blast it on that cool setting to set the curl, and then blast that curl with a bit of hairspray. It's super easy. I really love on these new air wraps that you switch that little toggle on the top of the curling barrel, and then it means that you can curl the other side of your head without having to actually switch the barrel. It's so much easier. I mean, look at the curls. Look at how good the curls come out when you use only small sections and your hair is damp enough and you are using hairspray. So basically doing the same thing, working in small sections, re-wetting the hair because it's become too dry, getting the hair to attach to that barrel with that co-window effect. And the cool thing about the Dyson Airwrap is it actually curls your hair using air rather than heat, so it's not going to cause as much damage. I also find that the curls are like way shinier and way bouncier too. So this is the last curl I've got. I'm just letting it set. I'm blasting it with hairspray, and then look at them all. They literally look like so glossy, so bouncy. I like my curls to look a little more lived in, so I will run my fingers through the hair, separating them all, and then I like to really zhuzh up the roots. Sometimes I'll use like a volumizing powder and a little bit more hairspray, get the curls in all the spots that I need, and then again, another douse of hairspray. I'm a hairspray girly. It just makes the biggest difference, and it does mean that I can get the curls to actually last as long as I need them to. I mean, this volume, you guys, you cannot deny the volume that this thing gives. Like when I curl my hair with a straightener or a curling iron, it just doesn't have the same, like it looks like I've had a blowout, and it looks like I've had my hair done by a hairdresser, and I couldn't be further from a hairdresser. And the blue blush shade, I mean, oh, this is just the most magical color ever. I think easily my favorite colorway that Dyson have ever done. So yeah, it's limited edition for the holiday season. So definitely, like, you guys know how quickly these things sell out. So make sure you jump on it if you do want it. And like I said, if you do get it straight from the Dyson website, you will get even more than what came in the box that I got. I'm going to go hang around the house looking fabulous. I actually think Brandon should take me out for dinner now that my hair looks this good. Comment down below if you agree. But I love you guys heaps. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you maybe learned something new about how to use your Airwrap if you've got one. Have a great day, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye!